Amos from Moog Music, and I am one of the firmware engineers here at Moog, and I'm here to talk to you about the new Phatty synthesizer, which we're introducing here at NAMM 2013. We're here in Anaheim, California at the NAMM show, and let's just take a moment to go through some of the features of the new Phatty subtractive analog synthesizer. This is the latest thing from Moog, and what we've done here is we've taken the best aspects of our Phatty and Voyager synthesizers and added some completely new features to give you a cutting-edge analog sound machine that lets you put your own imprint on your sound and gives you uncompromising analog sound quality. So we'll just hit some of the highlights of what differentiates this instrument from the other Moog synthesizers in the range and from other instruments you can get out there. It starts with two free-running voltage-controlled analog oscillators, oscillators 1 and 2, and additionally there's a sub-oscillator, which is a square wave 1 octave below oscillator 1. In addition to those sources, we also have a richly voiced analog noise source directly in the signal path. And lastly but not least, an external audio input, which lets you process any other sound in your studio, any soft synths, any digital synths, any recordings at all, through the amazing Moog analog filter and the new multi-drive circuit. So from the mixer section and the oscillators, we do come into the filter here. The mixer is voiced similar to the Mini Moog Model D in that you get a clean sound at about 12 o'clock, and as you crank up, we've indicated 12 rather than 10 on the dials here to indicate that you're really hitting the filter hard and getting a rich, overdriven sound. In addition to that, you've got, of course, all right, I'll just dial this in here. So in addition to the pre-filter overdrive in the mixer section, we have the new Moog multi-drive circuit. And what this is a FET transistor overdrive circuit after the filter and before the VCA that lets you take the basic sound and gets everything from asymmetrical tube-like, valve-like distortion to a symmetrical hard clipping. And we'll turn on this one oscillator. We've got a nice sawtooth sound. There it is, very clean and pure. You can see it on the scope here if you like. And then we'll turn up the multi-drive. And it just has such richness and power. And now we'll bring in the second oscillator, and you can hear the power of a 2-oscillator synth. And now we'll bring in the sub-oscillator. Really, there's nothing better I can do than to let the synth speak for itself. So in short, we've designed these oscillators to have rich high-frequency content that gives the filter and the overdrive more to work with. And it's that high-frequency, detailed, sharp, cutting oscillator sound that is really what differentiates this, especially from the world of software, where your computing power limits how much high-frequency content you can really deliver. So this is the most detailed, organic, and natural sound that you can get in synthesis. And we've brought it to you in a compact, road-ready package with full MIDI implementation. Every knob on the panel sends and receives high-resolution MIDI, so you can plug this directly into your computer via USB or standard MIDI. You can record all of your performances, and you can sequence it just like you could any sort of soft synth or plug-in. Additionally, the Phatty will ship with a full-featured editor and sound librarian, letting you save infinite presets to your computer, as well as automating the sound directly from your workstation or sequencer environment. And so this gives you all of the convenience and flexibility of full digital integration with the unmatched sonic power and clarity of our best analog sound engine. And all of this in an affordable package which will start shipping in March 2013. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to speak with you.